In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to cancel an order in TradingView. Canceling an order is something you'll do pretty often as you adjust your trades, so it's important to know exactly where to click and what you're looking at. I'll walk you through the process step by step, and you can follow along on your own TradingView chart. First, make sure you're on the main chart screen where you normally analyze your markets. At the bottom of the screen, you'll see a small horizontal bar or panel area. If that panel is not already open, look for a small arrow pointing upward along the bottom edge of the window. Go ahead and click on that arrow. This opens the trading panel, which is where you can see things like your orders, positions, account details, and more. If you don't see anything happen at first, just check that your browser window is maximized so the panel has room to appear. Once the panel is open, you'll see several tabs or options. Find the one labeled Orders and click on it. This section is dedicated specifically to your active and pending orders. Here, TradingView lists key information like the symbol, order type, size, price, and status. It's a good habit to glance over this list and confirm you're working with the correct order before you cancel anything, especially if you have multiple trades open at the same time. Now, look at the row for the order you want to cancel. On the far right side of that row, you should see a small X icon. This is the quick way to trigger a cancellation for that specific order. Move your mouse over that X and click it. Don't worry, the order won't disappear instantly without any confirmation. TradingView will show you a small action option to make sure you really want to proceed. After clicking the X, you'll see an option labeled Cancel Order. Click on Cancel Order to confirm. Once you do that, TradingView will remove the order from your active list. Take a moment to confirm it's no longer showing in the Orders tab. If it's gone from that list, the cancellation was successful. That's all there is to it. Open the bottom panel, go to Orders, click the X next to the order you want to remove, and confirm by selecting Cancel Order. With this simple process, you can quickly manage and clean up your pending trades directly from your TradingView chart.